quiet, power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase card, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud. Now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello po Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this reading is for January the 15th to January the 21st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. No? So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. First oracle card, Poised. Second is Fork in a Road, then Here and Now. I think hindi ito sa binabaliwala, no? Alam kong may problema, alam kong may dumadating na problema, alam kong nangyayari na yung problema. Ayoko lang siyang palakihin dahil meron na tayong mga investment, whether it is investment through abundant or investment ng time, energy, no? For a few numbers of you, sobrang tagal na nitong pagsasamang ito. Parang para lang sa isang issue or para lang sa issue na ito, itatapon ko, no? To a point wherein, sige, sabihin na natin, meron na akong nasisense, meron na nagsasabi sa akin, meron naman akong nakikita, no, or nararamdaman. Ayoko na lang muna pagtuunan ng pansin, no. Siguro, merong mga bagay dito na nasasabi ng ibang tao. Oy, sa person mo, ganito, ganyan, ganyan, nakita ko. Unless na hindi manggagaling sa kanya, hindi ko paniniwalaan. Ang lakas ng hold, redundant. Ang lakas ng hold doon sa promises, no? Doon sa through thick and thin, for better or worse, till death do us part, lalo na kung kinasal. May point din naman dahil sa inyong relasyon, hawak niyo itong dalawa, no? Wala naman taong involved na pwedeng magdikta. Pero minsan kasi, nakikita din minsan kasi nabubulag tayo sa nangyayari sa sitwasyon, kaya kumbaga, we're not seeing what other people see, no? So, ang hirap ng sitwasyon mo, hindi mo alam kung sino ang dapat mong paniwalaan. Hindi mo alam kung kanino ka dapat makinig. I feel like for a small percentage of you, parang binubulungan ka na ng sarili mo, no? Ng isip mo, ng puso mo na may issue. Ayaw mo lang i-address. Pero ikaw naman ito, yun na. Ang masakit na dito, kalaban mo na yung sarili mo. Dahil ikaw na mismo ang gumagawa ng reason or ikaw na mismo ang gumagawa ng excuses, no? Na pwedeng sabihin nitong person mo. So, kahit hindi siya nagsasabi, ikaw na kinakausap mo na yung sarili mo, no? Na, ay hindi, ganito kasi yan, blah, 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 yada, yada. So, you have all the reasoning, you have all the alibis. With the Ace of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Six of Swords. So from what I am seeing in here, At dito pumapasok yung as long as sa akin siya umuuwi, 'no? Ah, with my own perception of sa akin siya umuuwi, that's actually case to case basis, eh, 'no? I feel like that only applies to a person whom dependent of their partner, no? Uh I'm not saying that those person are weak. No, we have different paths. We have different issues in life. Um Siguro, no, we're not capable of doing anything to produce livelihood for themselves. Or probably meron nga, but hindi naman sapat. Who stayed in the connection even though, no, na they know something is fishy, they know something's wrong. Sige dito na lang ako. Or yung iba, dahil sa bata, no, we don't know. We don't actually know the specific reason. But I feel like that's just a thought or a theory of mine na I'm staying because I can't. I don't have the capability, no. Um, that doesn't apply to someone naman doon sa mga independent, no, na I don't need a man or a woman who always hurts me, no. I can stand on my own. Kung may anak, kaya kong buhayin yung anak. It's not pride, it's not ego, but also self-respect, no. Mahirap i-judge yung mga taong nagstay. Mahirap din i-judge yung mga taong nag um, wanting to separate or chooses to separate kasi we're not there behind closed doors. Walang tama, walang mali sa naging desisyon ng bawat isa sa inyo. Pero it felt like na dahil sa Ace of Pentacles, no, dahil sa abundance, I may be trying to stay, but I'm also thinking of leaving. Um, I am getting something. So parang I'm saving. Wow. So this is a very wise situation. O sige, nagbibigay ka sa akin ng pera, pero part nun, I'm saving to prepare for my future alone. So hindi rin naman pala na ganun ka martyr, no? Sa atin kasi niro-romanticize ang pagiging martyr, eh, no? I don't know why people loved being called martyr. Um, that's just my personal perception, ha? Pero okay itong ginagawa kung sino man ito ng binibigyan mo ko, but I'm partly saving of it to prepare for my future alone, no? With the Two of Cups and the King of Pentacles, wala tayong problema kasi when it comes to abundance, you know, generosity purposes, or I mean, generosity wise. Sige, you're probably splurging me um with wealth, no? So parang kung sa telenovela, no? Binibigyan mo ako ng bahay, sasakyan, alahas, pera. Sana nga kung gano'n. And then, meron kang ginagawa behind my back. Um, Sana na lang kung gano'n. Pero kasi parang ang nangyayari dito, what you can give is just you, yourself. Mahal kita. Oo, wala tayong issue sa part ng pagiging mahal kita. Pero, kasi ang pagmamahal is a reciprocation, no? I need you to reciprocate the love that I am giving. This is not a one-way street, no? So what you're asking here is the same amount of love or at least a little amount of love na pwedeng ibigay ni person sa iyo. Pero wala. With the Queen of Wands, the Ace of Wands, the Six of Coins. Wow, I feel like meron dito nagtatanong, may anak ka ba sa ilabas? Nagkaanak ka ba sa labas? Buntis ba siya? Um, it's the issue is very vague. Parang ito kasi yung pinaka-energy eh. The person knows there's something wrong. Hindi ko lang maidirekta. If I will be placed in that position, no? Um, alam ko may problema tayo. Pero hindi ko, alam ko kung ano yun, pero hindi ko pinopoint out. Um, gusto ko sa'yo mismo manggaling. Tinatanong, wala. Sabi wala. Knight of Wands and the Seven, there you go. Seven of Swords. So, nilalayasan kapag tinatanong, ano ba ang totoo? Um, ang totoo is may third party. Someone is with the Seven of Swords. This signifies a thief in the night. May third party. Hindi lang dinidirekta, alam din naman ang kabilang kampo, hindi lang din sinasabi, walang rektahan kumbaga. With the Eight of Swords and the Chariot, it felt like nasa malayong lugar. For a few numbers of you, baka binabahay na, no? Or nagsasama na sa ibang bahay, kaya maraming alibis, bakit hindi na lang ganun ka? Bakit hindi umuwi palagi? So, this is your reading. Bago natin tignan, no, Aquarius, ang zodiac sign ng iyong person. If you have some questions with this reading, or if you want to join our live sessions, sa Babaylan TV po yun. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede kayong magtanong sa comment section. Again, if you have some questions with this reading or you have some personal questions, nandun po yung link sa description box ng aking website. Click nyo lang po yun, i-route kayo sa aking website. No? Ngayon, nandun po yung question form, amount per question, the name, number, QR code for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1 that is a discounted price. And also, if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po yun nakalagay, no? Yung QR codes. So this is your reading, Aquarius. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I am seeing Cancer, Sagittarius, Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Cancer, Capricorn. Yep. This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.